Hello, I'm Marianna Bacellar-Galdino. I'm a veterinary specialist at Altasciences Preclinical Scranton. Um, I will be talking about a poster that is entitled Lacrimal Gland Measurements in Most Common Preclinical Laboratory Animals. This study was performed here at the Scranton facility, and we collected lacrimal glands from different species to really describe the location of the lacrimal glands and the size of the lacrimal glands, as these glands are responsible for the tear production, and it is a potential route for new therapies targeting dry eye disease, which has been an increase in latest for new therapies. The objective of this study, as I said, was to localize the lacrimal glands and describe the localization and then measure as well. So we used rats, Sprague-Dawley rats, rabbits, New Zealand whites, dogs, beagles, swine, the mini Göttingens, and NHPs, non-human primates, the cynomolog monkeys. So for each species, all those animals were enrolled in general toxicology studies at our site, where the head, the eyes were not used. So at end of the study, during necropsy, we collected the lacrimal glands and then measured them. So we noticed that Sprague-Dawley rats have two types of lacrimal glands, the exorbital and the intraorbital. And they are pretty much comparable in size, and in the length differs a little bit between these two lacrimal glands, and also the weight. The exorbital gland is bigger and heavier compared to the intraorbital gland. And the access to it is not so hard to find as expected, but it is not an easy way of delivering new therapies for rats. On the other hand, New Zealand white rabbits, beagle dogs, and mini Göttingens have the glands a little more inside of the skull, so it's not so easy to find them. Swine's a little more easier compared to beagle dogs and rabbits, and the size of their glands are a good size for targeting delivery of new therapies. However, non-human primates are the best choice for delivering potential therapies, as the glands are pretty much located kind of similar to humans, and the size as well, it's a pretty decent size, and you can even see the glands like you see on the picture F. You can see the glands without any problems, even from outside, just pulling up the palpebra up, the lid up. So this is a very nice description on lacrimal glands with weights, lengths, and widths of the lacrimal glands. And this is a very good potential route of deliveries for new therapies, as I was saying. Thank you so much. I'd like to acknowledge all the staff at the preclinical Scranton site. And thank you so much. And if you have any questions, reach out to us.